Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. This is part 2 of the amazing DR650 garage find. In the first video, we picked the bike up and brought it to the shop, got the seat off, and got the battery on a charger. We're going to start off with seeing if this thing will crank now that the battery's charged up. Alright, we've had the battery on the charge for a couple days now. We're going to go ahead and unhook that. Alright, let's see if this thing will start or crank or anything else. I don't think it'll start. I think the tank's completely dry. Well, it's definitely not locked up or anything like that, but I didn't expect it to be. He said, just hasn't been rode. Probably needs carburetor cleaned, that kind of stuff. So, get some tools here. I'm pretty sure the tank is dry. I popped the cap on it. Couldn't hear any gas in it. But we're going to go ahead and pull the fuel line. No sign of any fuel. The tank slides back. We do have a vacuum hose here hooked to the carburetor. You don't want to pinch this hose too hard and tear something, create a leak in it. Keep working it back and forth slowly and pull on gently, and off she comes. We'll set the tank over there on the table out of the way. We don't have to worry about it getting damaged or falling or anything. The clamp here, the air box on the back of the carburetor. We have the carb out. I'm going to take my pan and my carburetor over to the workbench. Doing this over a metal pan helps make sure we don't lose anything. If we do, it's trapped in the pan. I just buy a $2 disposable pan. Well, my battery died the other day when I was recording, so I'm not sure where we left off. I was having problems getting this bowl off the carburetor. One bolt came out just fine. The other one felt like I was going to strip it if I kept going at it. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try and maybe get a better shot of it later. But these bolts, let's see if I can find one here. Right there. May not focus on it this close, but they have a dot on them. Maybe I should have known this a long time ago, but I haven't worked on metric bikes in a long time, but those are apparently JIS bolts instead of standard Phillips. So, Japanese industrial standard thing. And there's a special screwdriver for that. And I didn't want to tear it all up, especially since it's not my bike. And I think you can cut a screwdriver down to make it work the same. But I thought it might be worth having one of these, so I ordered on Amazon a JIS number 2 screwdriver. It looks like a Phillips. The point may be cut a little more so that you get it down in there, and it has little ridges on the edge of the point. to get a better grip per se and not cam out of the bolt or screw and tear it up. So let's see if it was worth $10. Well, my knuckles popped. Well, it still feels like I'm gonna maybe tear something up. Yeah, we're boogering the head up even with this JIS screwdriver. So that's going to be a problem. There she went. Tore it up. So now I'm going to be putting vice grips on it and trying to break it loose, or drilling it out. Some other crazy method, just so I can get this bowl off and clean this carburetor. Tuning. So there we are. That's where we're at for now. Come back later and let you know how it goes. So this screw came out easy. I broke it loose the other day. The other screw we didn't have such good luck with. It didn't come loose with the number 2 Phillips. So I ordered a JIS, and let's see if you guys can see that. But I've tore the head out with the JIS screwdriver, trying it anyway. Now this is what did work. I already broke it loose, but getting it on in there like that, and then cranked it a couple turns, got about a half turn with the vice grips, you know, a couple of small turns to make a half turn, and then I could go ahead and take it out with the screwdriver. There's the bowl. The bottom of the bowl really doesn't look terrible. I mean, it's got a little film, but hey y'all, I owe you an apology. Somehow I managed to finish cleaning that carburetor and not record it. Don't know what happened there, but I'm sorry I lost that footage. There's plenty of videos out there on the internet about the tuning and upgrading the carburetor on this DR650. If you want to know more about that, I'm not going to get into that. But if you hang around in part 3, we'll put the carburetor back on, see if this thing will start. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, subscribe down below. Hit that bell to be notified. And as always, be safe and keep on riding.